Want to see your wildest concepts turned into professionally sounding tracks? You can now produce a scorching hot track with absolutely no playing or studio time. This is the power of Suno AI, and today I'm unveiling the secrets to unlocking its full potential. Just stick with me till the very end, and you'll be producing tracks like a chart topper. So, let's get going. Suno AI is a revolutionary text-to-music maker. You compose your thoughts, and Suno makes songs out of them. But there's a catch. The prompts are what dictate everything. Use a generic prompt and you get a generic song. Use a specific prompt, well, magic lies there. Let me show you how you can compose your songs to get you noticed.
Begin with your theme.
All great songs have a story behind them. Are you singing about heartbreak, adventure, or hanging with friends? Make your theme as obvious as daylight. For example, instead of a love song, choose a song about the experience of falling in love while exploring the city streets at night time. Then there's vibe. You get to decide on the type of song, instruments, and mood. Do you feel retro? Write something like a retro 80s synthwave track with otherworldly keyboards and soft pulses. Or do you want zestful? Write an energetic rock anthem with screeching amps and pulsating drums. As specific as possible, please. But then comes the pro tip. Add details to set your imagination in context. Think about environment, atmosphere, or even the feeling you want the listener to have. For instance, a song about rising above failure with an inspirational tone, an acoustic guitar, and upbeat vocals. This sets a vivid mental image for Suno to work with.
But wait, there's more.
Suno's custom mode is at your command. You can divide your lyrics and type of music into 2 individual prompts. Would you like an emotional ballad with Hollywood-style strings? Or an ethereal EDM anthem with robotic vocals? Custom mode helps you narrow down everything. I'd like to give you an illustration. I wrote a song exploring the stars with cinematic orchestral feel and otherworldly vocals. Suno then came up with this wonderful space-themed song which sounded like it could have been on a film score. I then altered the same premise to electronic beat-based, and now we have a chillwave anthem. Endless possibilities. Remember, Suno is all about experimentation. Experiment with genres, combine unlikely things, and do not ever be scared to get quirky with your ideas. Want to write an opera-style piece about your cat? Do not think twice. Your piece will only be as original as your prompt.
And there you have it. Suno requesting secrets revealed. Give it a try now.
Add your best prompts in the comment section and let's see who comes up with the most original song concept. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share this with a friend who wants to create AI song like a pro. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one.